So I'm in Croatia on vacation. We've been living on this boat for the past week, the most incredible vacation. And now I'm going to do my makeup for the night. Vacation makeup, boat makeup. I'm trying so hard to find a place to balance my phone to film this and do my makeup, but it's really hard on a boat. I've been using this highlighter oil so much on the trip when I don't want to put on any foundation or anything. I feel like it just kind of blurs everything, gives a really good iridescent effect, and makes my skin look really nice and healthy. Okay, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Ooh. Before I was literally on top of the boat, and now I'm just chilling on, what is this called, Avery? Where are we sitting? She doesn't know. Our captain doesn't even know. What has your makeup routine been on this trip?
Just a lot of coconut oil.
Yep. I'm very tan for myself right now. So I'm using a darker shade of concealer than I normally would, because I'm so beachy tan. Probably because I used Saint-Tropez before I left. Okay. I forgot all makeup brushes. Hello! Forgetting your makeup brushes can be so terrifying, but you just have to go with it. I normally use a nice camera, but I'm using my phone for this. A little under eye concealer. I'll put a little down the nose. Why not? My hair looks crazy like this. It's coming down. I appreciate the help though.
You look a little wet there.
We're bordering from dewy glowy to just like oily.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Isn't this mascara so good?
Yes, it's okay.
Right? Do you use this?
Free, yes.
Love that.
And cruelty free.
A little waterproof lip liner. Definitely do not want to bring a bag to touch up my makeup tonight. Thank goodness I have my travel size of my Urban Decay setting spray. Cool, right? That's our dinghy. That's how we get to land. So now I'm in a very different part of the trip where instead of sleeping on a boat every night, staying in a beautiful hotel in Prague, and I want to show you guys the different products that I bring while I'm traveling. I love my minis for when I'm on vacation, and I love that I can bring a mask with me because normally sometimes it can be messy, big, whatever. I figured that my skin wouldn't be dry from traveling, so I wanted something exfoliating and something very nourishing. I brought with me 2 different face oils, one for day, one for night, both Sunday Riley. And I'll always bring a spot treatment with me in case I'm breaking out while traveling, because I feel like it's the worst when you're at home, you have access to all of your arsenal, and then you're away and a pimple comes up and you don't really know what to do. So it's very convenient and it packs such a punch. Okay, so this is really fun. When I get to a hotel, I like to put my skincare into the mini fridge for a cooling effect, which I'm sure really startles anyone who's coming in to check on the mini fridge to see if I've taken anything. And it's like, no, I didn't take any drinks. I just filled it with my skincare stuff. See, I have another of the Peter Thomas Roth Rose Stem Cell Mask and my TATCHA moisturizer because it feels so good when it's cold. And I'm home! back with my shmamimals. I hope that you guys liked following along my vacation through Croatia, through Prague. I mean, there's really nothing better than coming home to these two boys. Look at that. Look at that kitty face. Oh, just got dog tongue in my mouth. Make sure that you guys are subscribed so you never, wow, flyaways, miss an episode of the Sloane Series. Say hi on Instagram, and I'll see you next Wednesday.